Hello. Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Facebook. So this one is indeed very important, especially if you think that someone is trying to access your account, you will be notified. To do that, you just have to launch your Facebook application, tap your profile at the top right corner, and then here you have to locate this gear icon or settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you have to locate this Meta Account Center. Okay, tap this one. So see more account center, click this, and you will see here password and security. So you have to scroll down till you see this password and security because actually when you have updated your Facebook account, some of the settings are not the same as before, of course. So this time you have to scroll down and you have to click this password and security. Here you will see this two-factor authentication, and all you have to do is to click this one and you have to fill out some information here, like if you want to add authentication application, if you want to add your SMS so that you will be notified if someone wants to access your account and so on. So that's basically how you enable two-factor authentication. So make sure that your email and your phone number is active. So all you have to do is to add them both here. Now, if you want to disable or turn off your notification or two-factor authentication, just go to security alerts, tap this one, and disable this your devices or keys, and contacts devices or keys change. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.